be making ceramic stepping stones. First, you need to put on your mask. And you also need your gloves. Next step is get your disposable mixing bowl. We are going to be using a paper bowl. And you add in a little bit of water. Not too much, just a little bit. And you want to make sure that this water is room temperature, not too warm and not too cold. Next, you start pouring in your ceramic mixing powder. And you use this, a mixing stick. And I'm going to be using this popsicle stick for it. You have to pour in a little by little. First, you can add like a quarter of the bag. You don't want to add too much at a time because then it will get hard. And you want to make sure that this is like a cake batter consistency, kind of. It shouldn't be too liquidy or too hard. This stuff gets hard easily, so that's why you don't want to add too much powder at a time. Stop it. Try to get the clumps out and try to mix it really well. Next step is get your mold. No, not yet. I said next. Actually, add a little bit more. Add a little bit more. Okay, maybe a little bit more. That's good. And seems like this is a good consistency. I'm going to mix out a few more clumps that are in there. This is like the consistency that I like. If you make like a strike across it, it makes a shape and it stays in that shape. That's a good consistency for it. Now we need to pour it into our mold. We're going to be using this butterfly louder mold. And at this step, before pouring this in, you can also add your jewels or gems in here if you want, but we're not going to be doing that. And you just pour it in. And you want to make sure you spread this out too, so you can, so if you don't, then it's just going to harden in one spot. And it won't really make a shape. You want. I just had to make it a couple times more because I realized that the bowl wasn't enough to mix it for this whole bowl. So if this happens, then you have to work fast because this will dry up quickly. And then you just spread it out. Once you got enough for your mold, just spread it out. And this mold is just like plastic mold, I guess. Now that we spread it all out in here, we're gonna have to put that inside. And after it's dry, we'll come back. Hey guys, it's been 8 hours and now the ceramic mold is completely dry. So now we're going to start taking it out. I'm just going to gently push my thumbs down on the mold. And you have to do this close to the ground because you don't want that to break. And you have to do it really carefully. And it came out. It's super smooth, you guys. So this is what it looks like. And it's really smooth, like here, and it's like so satisfying to feel it. It feels really good. And then, now that we took it out, the last step is to paint it and decorate it however you want. We used these to color our ceramic, and this is what we made it look like. And look at it. Came out really good, right? You don't have to paint it this exact way, and you can use some other mold, and you can paint something like your name or anything really, whatever you want. And you can give this as a gift to anyone really. But the thing is, you can't really this is basically like a decoration item, and you can just give them, you have to be very careful with it and gentle because it's clay and it might break. So you just give it to someone. You can use it as your decoration in your home, or you can give it to someone as a gift. Apparently you're not supposed to step on it or put too much pressure on it because obviously it's clay and it will break, like I said before. But we really enjoyed making this ceramic mold, and yeah. Thanks for watching. Be safe, stay healthy, goodbye.